So yeah, but the main thing that I learned on this whole adventure was that the music really comes from the computers. And as you see here, there's a computer on the side here, and mine's in front, but you can't see it. And these are MIDI controllers. And when I got back to LA, my friend showed me this cool video of someone who hacked an arcade stick to make a MIDI controller. And a lot of you are like, what is a MIDI controller? These are all different MIDI controllers. And the MIDI controller, MIDI, stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, which is just a long way of saying a trigger or thing.
Basically, any type of puppet is made up of simple geometric shapes. So this, if you were to cut out this pattern, and fold it together, it would become a perfect sphere. A lot of Muppets are just spheres. And then this right here is a mouth plate, which would go inside and have little straps on either side, so you could operate the puppet's mouth. And then if you add fabric and eyes and everything, you get something that looks sort of like this.
It's such a good idea, because no one thinks about that. Yeah.
And a nice presentation too.
Yes.
Despite great job. No, you were wonderful.
The male jellyfish releases sperm into the water, where it's either picked up by a female jellyfish, or it comes into contact with an egg that a female has released. From there, it forms a larva called planula, and then from the planula, it lands onto the ground and forms a polyp.
And I decided to do my independent study project on the development of the guitar. And I started over the summer. I did a lot of research on the history of it and how it works and all of that. And I decided that the best way to learn about it would be to make one myself. So that's what I ended up doing. So basically, as you can see, the guitar I built is not a traditional guitar. It doesn't look like the guitars you would usually think of. It's called a cigar box guitar, and I'll be explaining how it's different from other guitars, but basically, it's an instrument that uses the cigar box as a resonating.